Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to make our resume public in Indeed. Now let's begin. Do note that I've already gone to Indeed.com and logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Once you've logged in, something like this will open up. Let's focus on the navbar right now. At the rightmost section, just next to the notification button, lies your profile. Simply click on it. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up, like Profile, Resume Help, My Jobs and everything. Let's simply go to Profile right now. Then this will open up. Let's simply focus on our resume right here. As you can see on the resume section, it's labeled as Not Searchable. Now I want to turn my resume public. Let's simply click on this Ended Resume right here, and this will pop up. This is my ended resume. Next to the profile at the very top, here's something like Not Searchable. Simply click on it, then this will open up. There are two options, searchable on Indeed and not searchable. As we want to make our resume public, let's click on searchable on Indeed and hit on save. Well guys, that's it. That's how we make our resume public in Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.